Hello and welcome. Welcome to the Boosted English Podcast. I'm Liam and I'm here with Emma. Today we're going to take our time. We're talking about money. Not in a loud way, not in a technical way, but in a very human way. Because money is not only something we use, it's something we feel. So let's slow down and talk together.
You know, Liam, I was thinking before recording today. Money is strange. We use it every day, but we don't really talk about it.
Yes, it's everywhere, and at the same time, it's hidden.
Exactly. People talk about the weather more easily than they talk about money.
And when something is not spoken, it often becomes heavy
Or confusing.
or full of shame.
Can we talk about something a bit uncomfortable?
Yes, slowly.
The shame of earning money.
Ah, yes. That's a big one.
In some families, earning a lot of money is seen as suspicious.
Or selfish.
Yes, like if you earn more, you must be taking something from someone else.
I heard that a lot growing up. Money was almost dirty.
Same for me. When someone was successful, people would whisper. They wouldn't say, "Oh, they worked hard." They would say, interesting.
Yes, that silence again. So we learn something very early. Earning money can be dangerous. Being visible can be risky.
So later, as adults, we feel guilty for wanting more comfort, even more safety.
And that guilt is very deep.
Let's say something clearly, very slowly. It is okay to want to earn money.
Yes, it really is. Wanting money does not mean you are greedy.
Often, it means you want peace,
Or rest.
or choice.
Or freedom to say no. Let me repeat that. Money can mean the freedom to breathe.
And there is no shame in that. I think one big problem is that nobody teaches us how to have a healthy relationship with money.
Yes, we learn math, but we don't learn emotions.
We don't learn how to talk about money calmly.
Or how to make mistakes without panic.
In my family, money was either ignored or dramatic. There was no middle.
Same. No one said, "This is normal. This is learnable."
So many adults feel lost and ashamed of being lost.
But the truth is, most people are learning as they go.
Some people grow up hearing, "Money is hard to get."
Others hear, "Money changes people."
Others hear, "Talking about money is rude."
And all these messages stay inside us, quietly.
They guide our choices without us noticing.
That's why awareness is powerful. Not to judge, just to see.
I'm going to say something, and maybe you won't fully agree.
Okay, I'm listening.
I think sometimes people say money doesn't matter to avoid looking at it.
Yes, I think you're right. Sometimes that sentence is a protection.
Exactly. Money matters because life matters.
But I also think we need to be careful. Money matters, but it shouldn't become our only language.
Yes, I agree with that. So maybe the balance is here.
Money matters, and we are more than money.
I don't think making peace with money means loving it.
No, I think it means not fighting it all the time,
Not hating yourself for wanting comfort.
not shaming yourself for mistakes.
Just saying, I'm learning.
And learning takes time. If you're listening right now and money feels heavy, please hear this. You are not broken,
You were not taught everything.
and that is not your fault.
You are allowed to grow, slowly.
Thank you for sharing this time with us.
Thank you for listening so gently.
Be kind to yourself, especially around money. Progress is quiet and gradual.
And you are doing better than you think.
Take care, and we'll be here again on the Boosted English podcast.